Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Cash App card that is not working in Apple Pay. So first of all, you need to open your Cash App application, then tap on the option of the card tab, which will be available in the bottom. So when you are here in the cash card section, you just have to make sure that your card is fully activated and not temporarily locked. Now, if the card was recently ordered or replaced, Apple Pay may not work until the activation is completed. The activation is also very easy. If it is not activated, you will see the activate cash card option. So you just have to tap on that and follow further instructions in order to activate it first. After doing so, you just have to simply open the Apple Wallet application on your iPhone. Afterwards, you just have to simply select your Cash App card. After selecting the Cash App card, you just have to simply tap on the option of remove this card. After removing it, you just have to go back to the Cash App and then tap on the option of card, then tap on the option of add to Apple Pay. This particular step is going to refresh the connection between Apple Pay and the Cash App. Now, some of the Apple Pay transactions may fail if your Cash App account has limited verification. So inside Cash App, you just have to confirm your full name, the date of birth, the linked phone number, and identity verification. Make sure that all of these are properly completed, because the unverified accounts can face the payment restrictions. Now, you can also restart the iPhone. For that, you just have to simply come inside the settings. Inside the settings, look for the option of software update in general. If you see any kind of updates, make sure that you update the latest version. The older iOS versions sometimes create wallet compatibility issue. So you can try this and let me know if any of these methods work for you. Thank you.